In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use blue and red in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can easily find and use blue abilities in Jujutsu Shenanigans. In order to do this, you will have to be playing as the Honored One, so make sure that you go over to Characters and you choose Honored One. Once this is done, you will have access to all of Gojo's blue and red abilities. So immediately upon choosing that option, you will see at the bottom of the screen, you will find 6 eyes, my awakened bar, which is going to fill up through combat, and then you will be able to use lapse blue and reversal red. So right now, they aren't as effective. However, if you are able to get your awakened form, they are going to improve significantly. So as you can see, lapse blue, it pulls someone back so you can get them in melee range, so you can start your combos or punching them, and reversal red is going to send a beam flying towards them. This beam will then explode and knock them back, and you can use that to set them up for combos. Now, if you are on your awakened form, the skills are still going to be there and they are going to function quite the same. However, there are going to be significant improvements, and because of this, they will do more damage, and you can even pull out the hollow purple nuke, which can happen when you use reversal red into a lapse blue attack that defeated another opponent. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to show the awakened form here, but like I said, the process is going to be exactly the same. So you can press the same buttons on your skills to pull it off, and you will be able to use blue and red in Jujutsu Shenanigans. So after you do this, like I said, you will be able to use them, do damage with them, stun other enemies, and they are always available whenever you play as 6 Eyes or the Honored One. I hope I was able to help you on how to use blue and red in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.